Hello students, today I will teach you multiplication of polynomial. It's a very basic things for algebra. So there are some problems given or written in the board. I will start with this one. Number 1, 3 by 7 p square plus 4q square by this one into 7 into p square minus 3 by 4 q square. How to do this one? Look, 3 by 7 p square plus 4q square into, we should multiply this one first. 7 into p square, that is 7p square, minus 7 into number first, it will be multiplied number into number. 7 into 3 by 4 q square, right? So what we are getting, 3 by 7 p square plus 4q square, and this is 7p square minus 21 by 4q square, right? These are the things now to be multiplied. Now what to do? This one into full plus this one into full. That means 3 by 7p square into this one, 21 by 4q square, plus 4q square, this one into whole, that is 7p square minus 21 by 4q square, right? Now multiply this. Now this one into full, this one plus this one into this one. Now multiply. Now you have to remove the bracket. So this one into this one, that is 3 by 7 into 7, number multiplied, then p square into p square, minus, this is 3 by 7, this one into this one, 3 by 7 into 21 by 4 p square q square, plus this one 4 into 7 p square q square, minus 4 into 21 by 4 q square into q square, right? Now 7 cancel, we are getting 3p to the power 2 plus 2 by, because two bases are equal, pp, these are the base, so the in case of multiplication the power should be added, minus this is 7 3s are 20, minus 9 by 4 p square q square, plus 4 7s are 28 p square q square, minus 4 4s cancelled, 21 q to the power 2 plus 2, right? So we can write 3p square minus 21 q square, this one. Now these two things should be multiplied because they are like terms. So what we do, p square q square take common, 28 minus 9 by 4. That means I am doing here, that means 3p square minus 21 p q to the power 4 plus p square q square into this one is 4 minus 9. That means we are getting 3, it is not p square, it is p4, sorry. This is p4, 3p4 minus 21 q to the power 4 plus this one is 103 by 4 p square q square. This is the answer. Please check the calculation. Let me check. Okay, this is the right answer. Now we go to this one. This one, x plus 3 into number 3, x plus 3 into x minus 3, this is x plus 4 into x minus 4. Multiply these two first, then these two. So if we multiply, look, this is in the form a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, or you can write x into x minus 3 plus 3 into x minus 3, right? These two should be multiplied and we take it in a separate bracket, and this one into this one, that means the x into x minus 4 plus 4 into x minus 4. Student, you can use the formula a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Okay, if you know, otherwise you can go for this way. Now what we are getting? X square minus 3x plus 3x minus 9. X into x square, x into 3 minus 3x plus 3 into x 3x plus 3 into minus 3 minus 9. This is x into x square minus 4x plus 4x minus 16, right? Now what we are getting? This one cancelled. X square minus 9, this is x square minus 16, okay? Now again we will multiply this one because this is in the product form. So what should I do? X square into x square minus 16, this one into this one, minus 9 into x square minus 16. Look, same base, so power should be added. Minus 16 x square minus 9 x square minus 9 and minus plus 9 into 16. That is equal to x to the power 4 minus 16 and minus 9, because these two terms are like terms. So we can add these terms. That is minus 16 and minus 9, minus 25 x square plus 144. This is the answer. Now we go to question number 2, this one, okay. Look, this one. X minus 1, x minus 2y plus 3 into ato. So what will I do? X into full this one, x plus 2y minus 2y into this one, x plus 2y plus 3 into full this one, x plus 2y. So what we are getting? X into x, x square. Why, sir? X into x means x to the power 1 plus 1, that is x square. Okay? 1 ato. Plus x into 2y, that means the number will come first 2, and x and y, they are not multiplied, we will keep here xy. It is in the form of multiplication. Why? Because x and y, they are not like terms, so their base are not equal, so power not should, here the power is not added. So we keep it x into y xy minus this one 2y into x 2xy minus plus minus minus. What we are doing? 2y into 2y, right? Plus this is, now you can write here also, minus 2y into 2y plus 3 into x plus 3 into 2y. This one is separate. Okay. Now what we are getting? X square. This one cancel, right? Minus 4y square. And this is 3x, this is 6y. So this is the answer. Okay. 6 terms, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should count the number of terms. Look, 1, here will be 6 terms because this should be multiplied by this should be multiplied by 3, 3, 4, 6 terms. Look, there are 6 terms and 2 terms cancel, 4 terms. Now we'll come to this one. It's a very, very important sum. This one should be multiplied by this one. So what will I do? 2 into full this one, 2y minus 1 plus 3y square, right? Then minus 3y into full this one, 2y minus 1 plus 3y square plus minus 5y square into 2y minus 1 plus 3y square. So now 2 into 2y, that is 4y minus 2 plus 6y square. Y 2 into 3 is 6y square. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and 2 into 2 is 4y. Minus 3y, 3 into 2, that is 6. Right? 3 into 2, 6, y into y, that is y 1 plus 1. Because bases are same. Yeah, minus a plus 3y into 1, that is 3y. Then minus 3 into plus 3, that is minus 9. Y to the power 1 plus 2. Plus, this is what we are getting. Not a plus, but here we are getting not plus, plus minus a minus 5. 5 into 2, right? 5 into 2. Y to the power 2 plus 1, right? Now, you should not write here anything. Minus 5 y square 2, that is. Now this one into this one, minus plus 5 into 1, 5 y square. Now this one into this one, minus 5 into 3, minus 5 into 3, minus 5 into 3, right? Y square into y square, y to the power 2 plus 2. So what we are getting? That is 4y minus 2 plus 6y square minus 6y square, right? Plus 3y minus 9y cube 10, 5 to the 10 y cube plus 5y square minus 5 to 3 the 15 y to the power 4, right? Okay. Then what we are getting? Plus 6y square minus 6y square cancelled. So we are getting 4y minus 2 plus 3y, right? 4y plus 3y. These two terms are like terms, so we write here. Then minus 2, then minus 9y cube minus 10y cube plus 5y square minus 15y to the power 4. Now you can write the highest power at first, so we can write 15 minus 15y to the power 4 minus, this is 9y cube, it was 9y cube. So 9 minus 9 and minus 10, minus 9 and minus 10, that is minus 19, because both are same sign, so number should be added, minus 19y cube, right? Then y square plus 5y square, look, descending power of y to the power 4, y to the power 3, then y square, then 4y plus 3y, that is 7y, right, minus 2. This is the answer. Okay, please let me check the answer. So this is the last sum. We are doing it by column method. So 9 into 5, that is 45, x into x square, and 9 into 8, that is minus 72 xy. Now this one into this, now this one into whole, 4y into 5x, that is minus 20 xy, because same terms, and this one into this one minus 32 y square. Okay, now add 45 x square, this is minus 92 xy minus 32 y square. This is your column method. You can use also this method. This is very important. Okay, so I have done almost all type of multiplication. Hope you understood everything. Okay, thank you, and thank you for watching.